श्री राग महला पहला, मछली जाल न जानिया, सर खारा असगाह, अत सियाणी सुहणी, क्योंकि तो वे साह, कीते कारण पाखड़ी, काल न टले सिराह. The fish did not notice the trap of net in the deep and salty sea. Why did she trust the net when she was so clever and beautiful and confident? She was caught because of her false trust and could not escape the inevitable death. पायरे यूं सिर जानो काल, ज्यों मच्छी त्यों मानसा, पवै अचिंता जाल रहा. Oh brother, remember, just like this, see death hovering over your own heads. People are just like this fish, totally unaware of the news of death that comes upon them, and there is no escape. Pause. सब जग बाधो काल को, बिन गुर काल अफार, साच रत्ते से उभरे, दुविधा छोड़ विकार, हाँ तिन कै बलिहारणे, दार सच्चे सचियार. This whole world is controlled by the death, and without Guru, death cannot be avoided. Those who attune themselves with the truth are saved, and they get rid of any dual-mindedness and corruption. I am sacrificed to those who are found to be truthful in the true code of Vaheguru. सी जाने जो पंखियाँ जाली बदिख हाथ, गुर राखे से ऊपरे हुर फाथे जो गए साथ, बिन नावे चुन सुटिया है कोई ना संगी साथ. Like the falcon preying on the birds and the net in the hands of the hunter, similarly death hovers around the people. Those who are protected by the Guru are saved, and the others are caught. Without the Naam, they are picked up and thrown away, and they have no friends and companions. सच्चो सच्चा आखिए, सच्चे सच्चा थान, जिन्नी सच्चा मन्या, तिन मन सच ध्यान. मन मुख सूचे जानिए, गुरमुख जिना ज्ञान. Vaheguru is truest of the true. His place is the truest of the true. Those who obey the true one, their minds are engrossed in true meditation. Those who become Guru-minded, such people are true ones, having acquired true knowledge through Guru's grace. Their minds and mouths are known to be pure. Sat Gur Agay Ardas Kar, Sajan de Milai, Sajan Miliye Sukh Paya, Jamdut Mue Bikh Khaye, Nave Andar How Vasa, Now Vasai Man Aaye. Let us offer our prayer to the true Guru to enable us to unite with the God, thus enjoying real bliss and charm of life. Meeting with the God, your best friend, you shall find peace, and the demons of death are defeated. One starts to dwell deep within the Naam, and the Naam comes to abide within one's mind. बाज गुरु गुबार है, बिन शब्दै बूझ न पाए। गुरमति प्रकाश होए, सच रहे लिवलाए। तिथै काल न संचरै, ज्योति ज्योत समाए। Without the Guru, there is complete darkness, and without the true Shabad, realization does not happen. Through the Guru's teachings, one becomes enlightened and remain absorbed in the love of true God. Death does not go near, and one's light merges with the light of Vaheguru. तू है साजन तू सुजान, तू आपे मिलन हार। गुर शब्दी सलाहिए, अंत न पारावार। तिथै काल न अपड़ै, जिथै गुर का शब्द अपार। O Vaheguru, you are the real friend, and you alone can merge us with yourself. There is no count and no end of your creation. Only the Guru-minded people have praised you. Death has no access to the places where Guru's word is being sung. हुक्मी सभे उपजहि, हुक्मी कार कमाहे। हुक्मी कालय वास है, हुक्मी साच समाहे। नानक जो तिस पावै सुथियै, इना जनता वास किछ नाहे। By the hukum, the will of his command, all this creation is created. By his command, all the actions are performed. By his command, all are subject to death, and by his command, they merge in truth. O Nanak, whatever pleases you comes to happen. Nothing is in the hands of these beings of this world.